Welcome to Binary Basics, or as I like to call it, How to Speak Robot. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve binary numbers, and by the end of it, you'll be a certified binary master. Or at least, you'll be able to impress your friends with your newfound nerdy skills. Section 1. What is binary? So, what is binary? Simply put, binary is a way of representing information using only two digits, 0 and 1. It's like a secret language that computers understand. And trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Section 2. Converting binary to decimal. Okay, let's get started. To convert binary to decimal, you need to understand that each digit in a binary number represents a power of 2. We need to calculate the value of each digit based on its position. For example, the binary number 1010 can be converted to decimal like this. 1 times 2 power 3 plus 0 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 0 times 2 power 0 equal to 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 equals to 10. Section 3. Practice time. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's try converting the following binary numbers to decimal: 1101, 1001, and 1111. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil and see if you can solve them on your own. And don't worry, I'll wait for you. Or at least, I'll pretend to wait for you. Section 4. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you become a binary master. Always start from the rightmost digit. Use a calculator if you need to. And practice, practice, practice. And remember, binary is all about patterns, so try to find the patterns in the numbers you're converting. Conclusion. And that's it. You now know the basics of binary numbers and how to solve them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and funny content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to learn about, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.